Hey, buddy, you need an ambulance?
Okay,
What's going on?
I'm on the base.
Huh?
On the base.
You're on the base?
On the base, second base.
You're on second base? Let me call an ambulance for you, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
When I pulled up, he was out in the road. He had the car stopped in both directions.
Control 911. Take a seat, just take a seat. Can you start line 41, code 3? So he has shortness of breath. Just take a seat.
Just push me.
Take a seat.
Dick, push me.
When was the last time you had something to drink? You're not in trouble, come here. Just take a seat, I got you. Where do you live?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Did you use any drugs today?
Yeah.
What did you use? What time did you use cocaine?
12.
Huh?
12.
12?
Yes, sir.
I can see white residue on your left nostril. Can you breathe?
Yeah,
Kinda?
yeah, I can roll.
Hey, we're gonna put you in the recovery position. Lay on your left side. Just lay on your left side. Lay on your left side. Lay on your left side. Keep talking to me, bro. Hey, buddy. What's your last name, buddy? Just relax for me, okay? I'm right here. I'm not gonna leave you alone. You took fentanyl? Can I get an ETA? If not, my closest unit, code 3, possibly OD on fentanyl. Buddy! God! Hey! Bud! Hey! Let me see your nostril. Breathe. Breathe! Let me see your nostril. Breathe.
Is that the first dose?
Second.
Please, help me! Help me!
Hey, it's us, brother.